Omaha has just broken ground on its impressive $1 billion terminal project, and there are a lot of things you need to know. Omaha Airfield in Nebraska just announced details on its $1 billion full renovation project that is projected to be finished in 2028, and it is crazy. This new facility will include approximately 646,000 square feet of space. Not just that, they will increase the 22 arrival and departure gates, with the potential to add more gates in the future. Let's break it down. First, they will build a new central utility plant, as well as some enabling work to connect that utility plant to the terminal new loading dock. Once that utility plant is online, it gives the flexibility to do the remaining renovations to the terminal and expansion. The first piece of the expansion will start by building a new concourse and portions of what they are calling a new central pavilion. When the new utility plant is fully online, the existing utility plant will then be demolished, which will allow for the remaining construction of the central utility plant. So when this piece is completed, they will be able to renovate the south concourse. Also renovate both the north portion of the terminal and the south portion of the terminal. And then all that would be left is the tail end of the project is the demolition of the existing north concourse, including the corridor to the custom arrivals hall. Now, the biggest thing some of you guys have probably missed is that the new International Custom Area facility shows the compatibility for 2 new heavy gates right next to it. We are unsure if they are planning to accommodate heavy wide-body aircraft, but it appears that they are, which is weird as on screen is the destinations that Omaha serves, and they do not have one international route, nor are they big enough to accommodate heavy aircraft as well. We will see how things change over time though. With this terminal, you can't help but notice that they took a lot of ideas from their neighbor Kansas City. Kansas City just finished its new single terminal airport project, and Omaha has taken a lot of Kansas City's accomplishments and will implement it into its new terminal. Let's break down the amenities and comfort that comes with this new terminal. The new terminal will include new restaurants and retail concessions after security within a new central pavilion and airport gate area, new elevators to enhance vertical circulation and accessibility, new baggage screening system and larger baggage claims, new and expanded restrooms including companion care, family restrooms, and nursing homes, and overall accessibility enhancements throughout the whole terminal. Well guys, that's all I got for today's video. If you enjoyed today's video, feel free to like. If you want more aviation news and informative videos like these, subscribe. For now, keep thinking and exploring the specs of the friendly skies.